This is our LCD display CO2 single tube CO2 machine, and the box packing size is 31, 28, and 26. And this one machine, the packing weight almost 6 kilograms. With the box together, 6 kilograms. We have this is the 6-meter gas source, power cable, DMX cable, remote controller. And this is the machine. This is the machine. This is the machine, 6-meter gas source and the machine. This is power in, power out, DMX in, DMX out, fuse, LCD display. And this switch have the DMX and on. You can see this have a on. On means power. Means if you push this switch to on position and you connect the power cable, then this machine will jet. The valve will open. If you push to DMX, you need to connect the DMX cable to the DMX controller, and this machine have only one channel. The maximum jet time is 3 seconds. Only jet 3 seconds. Okay, and this is the quick lock fitting for the gas hose. You connect by this way. By this way. This is power cable, DMX cable, adapter fitting, and the rubber ring, and remote controller. This adapter fitting, you need to connect to this position, to this gas source position, like this way. And the standard gas source is 6 meter. You can choose 3 meter or 10 meter, 8 meter or 15 or 20. If you want longer or short gas source, you need to tell us so we can quote you the new price again. This is the gas source. And this is the power cable. You connect to this position. Like this way. And this is the DMX cable connected to this position. Like this. And you can see this machine have the 2 holes. This one and this one. You can fasten the aluminum clamps to hang to the truss. And this is the jet pipe. This is plastic. And this screw you can lose a little and change the direction and fasten again, so you can adjust the jet direction. If you jet this machine to upward, then this machine no need to fasten to the ground or something. If you make the pipe to this position or this position, you need to fasten this iron board to the ground or somewhere to the truss. Otherwise, this machine will moving. So it's a little dangerous. So be careful. Now I show you how to use this CO2 machine. First, you need to connect the power cable. Connect the power cable. You can see this indicator lamp is turned on. This red light. And if you press to DMX, you can see this LCD display is turned on. You can change the DMX address. Okay, and then you connect the DMX cable to the machine. And this machine only have one channel. So, see? You can hear the valve open and close sound. This is DMX control, only one channel. If you want the power control, If you want to push to on position, you want the manual control, connect the power cable to the open. You see it's open. You can hear the open sound. You can hear the valve open and close sound. If you push like this way and no close, then this valve will no close, always no close. But we are not suggest the manual way jet more than 5 seconds. If you jet too long time, the liquid CO2 will freeze the valve and damage the valve piston. So we suggest most of the time use DMX control, because DMX control maximum jet time is almost 3 seconds. And sometimes if you not have this DMX controller, you can push to manual, and use this power cable to connect to the machine and make it jet. But please make sure the maximum jet time no more than 5 seconds. No more than 5 seconds. Okay. And we also have a remote controller for this machine. If you want to use remote controller, please press to DMX position and no connect the DMX cable. Please no connect the DMX cable, and you can press. You can hear the valve is open. It's closed. Let's check again. Okay, it's closed. So this is the 3 using way. DMX, power, remote. This is 3 kinds of control way. This is the manual way. Now I push the switch to DMX and I push the DMX controller. Now you check the DMX effect. This is DMX effect. And if you want to use the remote controller, you need to disconnect the DMX cable. You need to disconnect the DMX cable. And then you press the A button. Press button A. Now let's see. 好 ，OK。这个是单管显示屏的气柱机，然后气管已经连好了，6米的气管已经连好了。然后现在的控台在中间的位置，可以看一下，在中间的位置哈。如果在这个时候我们推到512的模式，用控台的模式哈，我们看它显示屏它亮了，对不对？显示屏亮了，然后控台也连接好了。现在我们推通道1，它只有一个通道，推通道1，我们看一下，来。好，在这个时候，如果我们想使用遥控器的话，我们就需要把这个信号线拔了。拔了以后的话，我们这儿有2个按键哈，随便啊，你按个 A 也无所谓哈。然后我们再看它的喷射效果。